sing Rain, Rain. With me and tap the beat, here we go. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Now, take the first phrase, just the beat. Ready, go. Rain, rain, go away. Take the words out, set them to the side. Pick up coo. Sing it on coo. Coo, 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 coo. Now, the past couple weeks, we've been talking about Rain, Rain, and we decided that we heard and felt 4 beats. Coo, 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 coo. And then you told me that beat 3 had the most sounds. Coo, 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 coo. And then you told me that beat 3 had the most sounds and it had 2 sounds on it. Coo, 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 coo. Well, after those 2 sounds, you told me that there was 1 sound on each of the other beats. Coo, 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 coo. So I have a secret today. In music, when we sing 1 sound on a beat, we say ta. When we say 2 sounds on 1 beat, we say ta-dee. So now we can say ta, ta, ta-dee, ta. You try that. With me go. Ta, ta, ta-dee, ta. Aha. The next part of Rain, Rain, Go Away would go. Come again another day. Ta-dee, 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 ta. Woo. Now you know our secret code in music. Ta for 1 sound. Ta-dee for 2 sounds. Now, let's see if we can find it in other songs. Seesaw, up and down. Can you sing the tas and toddies for that? Ta, ta, ta-dee, ta. My turn with the words. In the air and on the ground. Tas and toddies. Ta-dee, 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 ta. Bee, bumblebee. Of course. Ta. I almost told you the answer. Bee, bumblebee. Your turn. Ta, ta, ta-dee, ta. Stung a man upon his knee. Ta-dee, 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 ta. Are you saying the tas and toddies back? Stick with it. Stung a pig upon his snout. Ta-dee, 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 ta. I declare that you are out. Ta-dee, 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 ta. Oh, you're such cool musicians. You're doing such a good job. Cobbler, cobbler. Ready? I'll sing the words. You sing back the ta and the toddies. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Your turn. Toddy, 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 ta. Get it done by 2:30. Toddy, 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 ta. 2:30 is at the door. Toddy, 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 ta. Get it done by 4:30. Toddy, 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 ta. Last one. Snail, snail, because I saw him over there and I thought, oh, he's right here too. Might want some attention. Ready? I'll sing the words. You sing back the ta and the toddies. Here I go. Snail, 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 snail. Ta, 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 ta. Go around and round and round. Toddy, 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 ta. Okay, your job is to take one of those songs that we just sang and sing the whole thing with the new tas and toddies. Good luck!